Okay, well, welcome friends. We are over here and on behalf of 100 Weeks, 100 Monologues, my name is Lippy Goyal and I welcome you all. And today we have with us something जो हमारे लिए हमारे करता धरता होते हैं हम actors के, the casting director. And he needs no introduction, of course, but still as an anchor, it is my job, my duty, my responsibility to give a basic, quick introduction. So for movies like Mr. X, Holiday, Hate Story 3, and of course recently released show Bebaki, इसके जो कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर रहे हैं मिस्टर कुणाल शाह, he is with us over here on board. So I welcome you sir, and of course virtual applause के साथ हम आपका स्वागत कर सकते हैं. That's how events are
Thank
done
you,
these
thank
days.
you,
So once again, my name is Lippy
thank
and
you,
welcome everyone. So let's
thank you,
just
Lippy.
get on the floor, Mr. Shah. और first question जो मेरा है, मैं जानना चाहती थी सबके behalf पे that how has the process of casting changed now? You know, हम सब कहते हैं there is a pre-COVID era and post-COVID era. So same way there is a pre-COVID casting and a post-COVID casting. So अगर
Yeah.
आप हमें वो बता सके that how the casting process has sort of changed, thanks to this whole coronavirus.
That's a very dangerous question, actually.
Just like the virus, I think.
I think so, yeah. Okay, see, uh, there are always two sides to a coin.
Of course.
So I think mm, the one minus point I would say is that, now we are completely dependent on the test that is coming in and how basically the actor has actually shot it. So,
Hmm.
so there are a lot of issues with that. Probably the lighting is not correct, the sound quality is not correct, probably
Right.
the background is not correct. uh,
Right.
we have to be completely dependent on what time they will send us, when the constant follow up. uh, I think just now you guys were discussing, yeah, actors have a lot of patience, but actors are also lazy. So they will wait till the last moment to send the audition, till the time the casting team will keep on reminding them, please send, please send, please send. So so that's, I think, one big minus point, because a lot of time now, if there might be a very good actor, but probably we don't have that option of probably rebriefing them and taking one more take. you know
Correct.
we see the audition and then we probably call them and tell them कि इसको ऐसे करते हैं, या उसको, या यहाँ पे इमोशन करेक्ट करते हैं, या यहाँ पे पॉज करते हैं, या whatever, depending on the audition script. So that is
Right.
one big minus point, I would say. All these factors connected. the
Hmm.
the plus point I would say is that now anybody and everybody who's sitting at any corner in this world can kind of send the test. So
Right.
the producers and the director are not so fussy कि यार इसको ऑफिस में बुला के टेस्ट कराओ, सेल्फ टेस्ट मत करो, स्क्रिप्ट मत भेजो. There are a lot of issues we also face, saying that because a lot of people do not want their scripts to go out and on WhatsApps, on
Hmm.
emails, and being circulated here and there on WhatsApp casting
Correct.
groups and all. So I think that is one plus point for all the actors, I would say, because due to COVID, a lot of actors have lost a lot of financial.
Of course.
I mean,
Yeah.
they've been into a lot of financial
Stability
messes,
also.
and a lot of
Yeah.
people have actually have gone back to their houses, to their respective
True.
cities, hometowns. So it's good that they basically test whether they're sitting in Delhi, Indore, Lucknow, Kanpur, Gujarat, wherever. They send, and
Right.
once they are actually kind of finalized, they then probably can come down. So I think
Yeah.
these are the pros and cons for. But yeah, things have become little difficult because जो एक्टर को हम मिलके वन ऑन वन इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, और एक कम्युनिकेशन होता है, और कोई टेस्ट करते टाइम एक्टर बोलता है यार ये मैं इस ढंग से कर सकता हूँ या उस ढंग से कर सकता हूँ या whatever. There are a lot of
Hmm.
factors. When you meet somebody, the 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 physical meeting is obviously always going to be better than the virtual meeting.
Totally.
I feel that.
Completely.
Totally. Yeah.
Absolutely. Right. So since you mentioned कि अब actors दुनिया के कोई भी कोने से बैठ के अपना audition send कर
Hmm.
सकते हैं. So if I can ask that what are the basic home setup requirements आपको लगता है एक actor के पास होनी चाहिए till the time things get normalized, apart from probably having a cell phone. कोई और अगर आपको
Yeah.
कोई और चीज लगती है जैसे वो ring light और जो tripod है,
Yeah.
उसका सेल्स शायद जितना अभी पिछले 4 महीने में हुआ होगा उतना हार्डली कभी हुआ होगा. So apart from that, if you can recommend any other thing that an actor should have अगर हम घर से ऑडिशंस देना चाहते हैं तो.
एक अच्छा क्यू देने वाला एक्टर.
Oh my God, I completely agree. Yeah. मम्मी
That
पापा
is
चाचा
that is
चाची
one
जो
major issue. क्योंकि हम लोग if we are doing a scene which is I mean a scene where the actor has to probably perform more with his emotions rather than the dialogues, and the dialogues are with the co-actor, then there is one more problem, because the person who is giving the cue most of the time are probably their house help, their mothers,
yeah.
they're probably younger siblings, or somebody who are not actors, basically, who are not well versed with what how the whole audition thing actually functions. So
Right.
even when we do auditions, we a lot of time people who are taking auditions, because most of the ADs in every casting director's office, a lot of them are actors who have actually come to become actors, and they kind of try to get a job in a
Yeah.
casting director's office, so that they kind of learn certain things. So हम लोग भी उनको रखते हैं, क्योंकि वो लोग actors है, they are good in taking auditions, they say their dialogues well, they give proper cues. So I think बाकी सब चीज तो work out होती है. Obviously you need a good cell phone to kind of record
Hmm.
a good audition, and if somebody can afford, then probably a nice like you said, a tripod, or probably a
Ring
couple of
light.
lights.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the basics.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Correct. Okay. So another thing, three mistakes you think actors generally make when they are looking for work आपके हिसाब से, because काफी budding actors भी है जो शायद कोरोना के बाद उनको self realization हुआ है कि नहीं, मैं corporate job नहीं करना चाहता था, मैं actor बनना चाहता था. इस कोरोना पीरियड में बहुत लोगों ने बहुत कुछ realize किया अपने बारे में. So let's assume कि हमारे पास काफी budding new actors हैं जो just बॉम्बे आए आना चाहते हैं. So three mistakes you
Yeah.
think we actors make when we are looking for work.
I'm losing a voice.
Sorry, was the question audible? I said three mistakes the actors make when they are looking for work.
Okay. See, the first most important thing I'll say, that this actors should stop. I've said this 100 times before. I'll say it one more time. Yes, actors should actually stop, putting this casting directors on a pedestal. The casting directors are here and we are here. This whole diverse casting directors and themselves
Hello?
is
Yeah.
is one major problem, because until unless can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me now? I'm audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Is everybody able to hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I'll say it again. Basically, I'm trying to say that this whole. I'll say it in simple language. Let's make it very simple. ये casting directors को इतना जो भाव देते हैं actors, और इतना सर पे चढ़ा के रखते हैं, ये जरूरत नहीं है. I think actors and casting directors have to work like a team. Just as the actors need casting directors to probably reach out to or fulfill their dreams, because they are probably kind of a medium. We also need actors every day. We also need to meet actors. So I think this whole gap that has been created, and this whole big hawa that has been created about casting directors, should probably be little toned down. We are all normal people, just like the actors are. So unless we don't form a proper team together, actors and casting directors, it will. I think this is one mistake that actors do. They kind of hound casting directors. They send this good morning, Jai Shri Ram and Jai Sai Ram messages and all that, which are the sun is setting and the moon is whatever. The birds are chirping. All these messages have to stop, because they actually put people off rather than put them on. I know it is that
Right.
probably a way for them to probably send a reminder that we are around. I'm sure there are better ways to probably be seen or heard or be noticed rather than this kind of messages. Also, they should probably approach casting directors with there should be a proper approach, rather than just hounding them, or just catching them wherever they see them. I mean, I'm just trying to say is that supposingly I'm having me or any of my casting director friends, Mukesh or Shruti or Abhishek or whoever, we are just sitting and having a cup of coffee. So we need to have our personal time. People come and actually don't allow us to have that 10 minute of peace. I think that should be totally be done away. There are obviously better way to reach you. We need to reach out. I mean, they need to reach out, and I completely believe in meeting actors and probably spending time with them. But it has to be in a more dignified way, not because in this whole process, casting directors have actually started running away from actors.
Oh,
You know what I
okay.
mean? Yeah.
Yeah, sort of एक distance
Are you able
create
to
हो
hear
गया
me?
है. Yeah, yeah, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah. Yeah. So I think this whole gap that has been created needs to be probably, like brought together. And I think then things will really be easy. I think these are the
Right.
mistakes that I'm not saying it's mistakes. I think it's probably more of an whole uh, exuberance of kind of being seen, being noticed, being I talk to a lot of actors, in my office. My office is in Aram Nagar, and when I'm probably outside, they're probably having a cup of coffee or having a smoke. Actors come and talk to me and say कि सर आपको हम 3 महीने से आ रहे हैं, हम आप आज मिले तो हमने सोचा आपको पकड़ ले. So इसे पकड़ लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं है यार, मैं तो यहीं हूँ. तो ये पकड़ने वाला जो सिस्टम जो वो सबके साथ करते हैं ना, ये that actually is not the right way, I would
Yeah.
say. I mean, I don't mind talking to them. If somebody comes, they talk. But the thing is that if we meet them or if they meet us, they start showing us their videos, their monologues. That is one of the top. They start showing their monologues. They'll show us all their ads. सर मैंने ये शो किया था, सर मैंने ये किया था, सर मैंने ये किया था, वो किया था. Everything for 15-20 मिनट तक पूरी वीडियो दिखाना शुरू कर देते हैं. So
Right.
I think that should not happen. I mean there are a lot of ways to reach out, and I think every casting director is, I think, very active on their respective social media platforms, and they have their email IDs and their intro auditions or whatever. I know COVID times are different, but I'm generally saying overall.
Right.
So I think the actors should also maintain their own dignity and let the casting directors also be little more approachable. With this process, I think they have actually run away. Most of the casting directors, I meet all of my casting director friends who tell me कि यार हम नहीं मिलते यार, हमको तंग करते लोग. तो वो
Right.
तंग करना बंद कर देना चाहिए.
Okay, I think that's quite a thing that all the actors are hearing, and they'll hopefully follow that.
Yeah.
Next thing is
Yeah.
three, as a casting director, three things that you genuinely look in an actor, that you're always, you think कि irrespective of the height, body, whatever it is, talent and all, ये तीन चीजें हैं जो उस बंदा या बंदी में as an actor होनी ही चाहिए, जो वो तीन चीजें आप ढूंढते हैं हमेशा एक actor के अंदर.
See, I'm not going to say anything out of the box. They're
Yeah.
quite simple things that we all look for. I think when somebody comes for a test, we just see how well he has made his effort to be in the look.
Okay.
Obviously that is one thing. The first impression always lasts. That is what I feel. Passion, obviously, we all have our passion, so that's why we are all in our respective. An actor is making that effort to come down to my office to test or whatever, sending in that is because he's passionate about it. So I think you need to have that passion, you need to have that dedication. How much you're prepared, that is the most important thing, because the more you prepare the more better impression you will make. If there is a good actor who does a good test, and if it probably won't work for the film I'm doing that time, or a web series I'm doing that time, web show I'm doing, but if it's a good audition, we'll always remember. So I think everybody should, I think, give, whenever they give a test, they should give it with their 100% effort. So,
Right.
and if a good audition will never go for a waste. Trust me on that. That's what I feel. These are the simple, basic things. I think we all look at the actor, how well they are prepared. Have they made any effort to probably be in the look for which they've been called in? How respectful they are, how dedicated they are, how passionate they are, how they carry themselves basically. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Great. And another question before we open it for audience is, if ये जो हमारे जितने भी actors हैं, if they wish to get in touch with you,
Yeah.
then what is the medium? Facebook, Instagram, email address,
Yeah. See, I'll be very frank.
is
Right
there a
now,
particular way? Yeah.
all our social media platforms have gone for a toss. No, nothing is being updated. Email IDs are full. We have not, kind of taken out or, emptied them or, downloaded all the mails. So right now
Right.
the process, but we obviously, we have an email ID, we have our social media platforms, we time and again put our requirements, and depending on the show, on what we need. But I think the simple way to reach out is to just reach out me or my assistants. I'm completely approachable. I reply to all my messages.
Okay.
I reply. I even go to my Instagram messages and I reply to them. If there is something interesting, I ask for the numbers, put it across to my ADs to call them for so and so particular role, because I don't know where and how I'm going to actually get the right actor for whatever I'm casting for. So I think I am completely approachable. I'm sure if anybody here might have approached me, they would know. I always reply to my messages. If they don't send me those good morning messages, uh, but otherwise I'm completely approachable. And I think even my team. I mean, I have my team, and I think actors, because considering we are in Aram Nagar, so I think actors anyway keep on walking in, and they kind of meet me or my team or anyone. So I think we
Right.
are approachable. But yeah, we have a specific email ID, which I'll update. Once we are able to kind of start working on our full strength. Yeah.
Lovely. Great. So in
Yeah.
case if we have any questions from the audience over here, then we
Yeah.
would be happy to take.
Sure.
Sonu is helping me out over here. So Sonu, in case we have any questions.
I have a question.
Yeah. So.
Okay.
So we have started this monologue challenge.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so we started out with 100 monologues in 100 weeks.
Yeah.
It's
I've
been
read about it. Yeah.
18 weeks.
Yeah.
And now there has been a tiring thing to that attached. We have been doing it for 18 weeks and
Wow.
most of us are tired now.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
Monday आ गया. हाँ हाँ अब कैमरा इतना कंफर्टेबल हो गया हम लोग कि हाँ ऑन करो बोल. So,
Uh,
but how to keep that excitement and how to keep that diversity in our we are building our social media. So
yeah.
if somebody goes on my Instagram, they will
Yeah.
see 18 videos on that.
Yeah.
So how do I make it interesting for people who are going to give me work, like
Right.
directors or casting? Because having we all have friends who are directors and casting directors, and they are
Yeah.
on our social media.
Right.
लेकिन एक फ्रेंडशिप अलग होता है और काम अलग होता है.
Of course. Of course.
तो
Of
अब
course.
वो कैसे अपना ऐसा कुछ काम करें कि वो इंटरेस्टिंग लगे लोगों को कि या हाँ ये सही है या वैरायटी कैसे क्रिएट करें. I'm a little confused there.
Okay. See, I don't know how many casting directors would actually go on a social media platform to actually check all the videos.
Nobody will do that.
Yeah, I'm being very upfront and very frank.
हाँ.
But yeah, what you can do is, I think monologues are, there are two ways to look at a monologue. Probably you get I go probably on your handle on Instagram. I know you. How do you look and what kind of work you do? So if I see a monologue where probably you see monologues, the biggest problem in monologues now, everybody wants to do monologues which I'll give you an example. Say a lot of young people want to do a Kartik Aaryan's monologue from Pyar Ka Panchnama, right? A lot of actors want to do a Nana Patekar of Krantiveer, or a lot of people want to do a Rajesh Khanna of Anand, Babu Moshai or whatever. My whole thing is, these monologues are so much etched in the memory of everyone. I'm not only saying from I'm saying everyone. Moment this dialogue comes, people visualize that scene.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I think probably if you want somebody to grab eyeballs, I think you should do monologues which will make somebody visualize you as a person, as an actor. That will make it more interesting. I mean, if a 21-year-old is doing a Nana Patekar monologue, it's never going to work.
Absolutely.
First, you have to be comfortable in what you are. See, everybody knows what they are. As a person, probably I am an actor and I'm very comfortable doing comedy. So it's always better to put monologues which are entertaining and which have something to do with comedy. So, you know, anybody who watches them will probably will take back something out of it rather than watch it for 20 seconds and just change it. You know what I mean? I mean, we all get
Absolutely.
monologues on our WhatsApps and our email IDs and all that. But the moment which we see an interesting face, अरे actor बड़ा interesting लग रहा है इसका, इसके pictures देखे इसके, now I have to see his performance. So, you know, probably I will click on a link and there will invariably be a monologue. But I'll suddenly see a monologue where he is, you know, doing something so weird. It will form an impression on my mind saying कि यार ये actor सही नहीं है. But you know, he would be a very good actor. So it's better to first understand what is your plus point, in what capacity you think you can deliver, and probably make a monologue of that. That's what I feel.
Yeah.
I might be wrong. I mean, this is my own personal opinion, because I judge actor looking at, I mean, we all judge people looking at the first thing that we see. I mean, how we see a good actor's probably a 5-minute performance in a film, and we see, oh, this guy is good, he deserves more. But we see an actor who has done probably throughout the film, but he's so bad that we say, yaar, isko to kabhi iska koi kaam hi nahi kar sakta. You know? So I think we have to be comfortable in our skin, and we should do what, if anybody sees even for those 1 minute, 2 minutes, because वो 10 minute के monologue तो कोई नहीं देखने वाला है.
हाँ, absolutely.
वो शायद हम खुद भी एक बार के बाद दूसरे हम खुद भी नहीं देखेंगे as an actor.
मतलब 1 मिनट का monologue अच्छा है.
हाँ, जितना short हो, जितना crisp हो, जितना entertaining हो, और जितना आपकी personality को suit करे, I think वही करना चाहिए. That's what I feel.
Yeah, perfect. Like I think it can be built through.
Yeah, of course.
Right.
तो actor rehearse कर सकते हैं.
Right, 100%.
So I guess these two things. Yeah, I think I've got my answer.
Yeah.
Anybody else from the actors community who wants to ask? Yes, we have Niti Priya.
Yeah, hi.
One of my assistant is also online, Shadab.
Okay.
He has raised his hand.
Yeah, Shadab, you want to ask me a question?
Where are you?
I hope you're not going to ask me for a raise right now.
Shadab, say something.
Now he's been noticed. Now he's gone shy.
Shadab, आपका email address मिलेगा क्या?
इसको पकड़ो, ये होता है ऑफिस में रोज. आजकल ये रोज ऑफिस में होता है. इसको आप पकड़ सकते हो.
Okay, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, for you.
Yeah.
When we send an email to you,
yeah,
what is it that we need to? What all are the necessary sort of documents that we need to include? One is our resume, probably a few photographs, probably a show reel. If we have done any work, because I am a novice at this and I have started off. So probably.
Oh, you're a novelist.
I'm a novice. I've just started.
Okay, novice. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Yes, you just started out. What's your name, ma'am?
Niti Priya.
Hi, Niti. Hi.
Hi. So I just wanted to ask you, what all is it that you look for in that email? Because I want to keep it crisp and short so that, it doesn't waste your time and Shadab's time as well. And doesn't,
Shadab is the one who is actually responsible for not actually removing the mails, not emptying my mailbox. Okay. He's the one who's lazy, who's post-lockdown, he has not opened the mailbox and all the mails are bouncing. Oh. He's the one who's in charge of this in my office.
Okay.
Everybody knows, everybody all over knows who is to blame if their mails are bouncing.
Shadab freeze ho gaya.
Okay.
Shadab is only smiling now. Yeah, sorry.
So what all are the documents that you look for? The important ones.
Yeah, make it very simple. Just put your pics, just put your profile. If you have any work links, just put your work links. That's it. As simple as that. I mean, 4 or 5 candid pictures. That's it.
Sure. Right. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right. Anybody else we have over here who wishes to ask a question or know something about the process of casting? Anybody from the artist community? I had a question, Kunal sir, if I don't know if I'm allowed, but yeah.
क्या है ये सवाल?
Sorry, I didn't hear.
Hello, Kunal ji. Yeah, I also had a question. Just So it was just very simple, like Niti Priya, just to adding further, you know, for just a detailed version of it. When you say just add your work links and photographs casual, and also a lot of us, you know, think of spending a bomb on portfolio photographs also, you know, hiring a like a very good photographer and makeup artist and all that. So in terms of looks, अगर जैसे समझ लीजिए कोई specific requirement नहीं है, like a tomboy girl or a whatever, a सीधी सादी बहू बेटी types, just a casual mail I'm sending you tomorrow morning. So what are those particular 5 pictures that probably one should have? Is it like Indian, Western, tomboy? How does it work like?
No, nothing like that. You know, I'll be very frank. All these portfolios, pictures, you should probably click and use it on your Instagram. It makes more sense. No need to send it to anybody. See, you know, this whole thing about clicking a portfolio and sending it to, I mean, obviously, I mean, we need a couple of good looking pictures, you know, if because that's the first.
Kunal ji.
Hello.
We'll wait for it. Unka network weak हुआ. Absolutely, I think maybe your money is wasted that you spent on your portfolio recently. There are like awesome pictures.
Thank you so much for that, but mine was a collaborative thing, so bach gayi main Sonu.
But great pictures.
Thanks. So Kunal ji, just whenever I think you're back.
We can wait for a while. Anyone? Nobody has any questions? Gokul?
Hello, everyone.
Hi. What do you think of this session? कुछ सीखा आपने?
जी, बहुत कुछ मैंने सुना और मैं कुछ सवाल भी पूछने वाला हूँ. मैं बस रास्ते में हूँ, मैं कहीं काम से निकल गया था.
अच्छा.
तो मैं बस जब पहुँच के उनसे एक सवाल भी पूछना चाह रहा था.
5 मिनट ही बचा है हमारे पास.
सोनू, I was wondering अगर आप उनको फोन कर सके या अगर आप चेक कर सके, you know.
Yeah, I'll do that.
What's up, like, yeah, I think that will be.
Now, please continue the conversation amongst you guys.
Yes, great. Okay. I was just reading the chat also. Actually, इस question का जवाब किसी और के पास भी हो तो feel free to answer, you know, like अगर आपने कभी casting directors को अपने photos भेजे और किसी ने आपको guide किया हो that these are the particular 5 to 6 looks that we are looking at as a casual mail जो हम भेजते हैं. So because all of us are actors and all of us are always in touch with casting directors. So अगर किसी और के पास भी इसका जवाब हो तो feel free to help us out because it's a community. We all are gathered here to help each other and grow together. So उस हिसाब से अगर आपको किसी casting director ने कभी कहा हो कि these are the kind of 5 pictures जो बहुत है हमारे लिए, you know, more than enough. So feel free to answer that.
Personally, what I feel is कि हमारी शक्ल normal दिखनी चाहिए. कुछ ज़्यादा अलग भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि इतना अपने आप को कमाल का बना दिया कि जब हम सेट पे हैं तो मैच नहीं हो, तो वो भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Like I guess we should be closer to who we are in the pictures and the portfolio. तो जैसे कि कुणाल जी ने बोला portfolio अपने Instagram के लिए रखो because it looks good on Instagram, you know, मतलब क्या बात है. पर जब अगर मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, like I've just written a film.
Sorry guys, I got disconnected.
Yes sir, आ गए.
Yeah, please carry on, Sonu.
So मैंने कहा कि about the pictures I was saying कि I've just written a film. So when I was shown the pictures of the actors, तो मेरे को बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं था कि वो डेक्ड अप वाले पिक्चर्स होते हैं ना. तो मैंने कहा इसमें पता नहीं चल रहा है मुझे कि who this person is. Can you show me normal pictures?
Yeah, that's why I said put 4-5 casual pictures. That makes a lot of sense because anyway we are going to call them for a test. Obviously, I couldn't complete that time because we anyway going to call them for a test, and there would be a specific costume dress code which we'll obviously send to the actor. So it makes sense, yeah.
Right. So I think if we have to answer the particular question in your words, Kunalji, it's just like your regular casual photos with your real look, you know, no portfolio look. That should be what should be sent across. Great.
आजकल लोग बोलते हैं ना रियल चीज का जमाना है और रियल एक्टर्स का जमाना है और रियलिस्टिक चीज शूट करनी है हर आदमी को रियलिस्टिक, करण जौहर की फिल्म भी आजकल रियलिस्टिक वे में शूट होती है.
राइट.
ये रियलिस्टिक एक्टिंग का क्या मतलब, बहुत कंफ्यूजन है मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि एक्टिंग ही तो कर रहे हैं हम, तो करेंगे ही एक्टिंग थोड़ा सा, मतलब व्हाट इज रियलिस्टिक एक्टिंग?
These are all phrases and these are all words that everyone likes to play with. So it's okay.
Yeah.
Let's play. Simple.
Yeah, Lokesh has raised his
Ultimately,
hand.
it's always going to be. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I mean, if you're going
Absolutely,
to
वो तो
cast a
screen
rickshaw
पे दिख
wala,
ही जाता है.
you will need that look only, na. You cannot cast Shah Rukh Khan as a rickshaw wala, na. It's not going to work.
Absolutely, वो तो है ही.
It's never going to be realistic. And it's always realistic that way. So both ways you can, kind of, दोनों, yeah.
हाँ, लोकेश, आप
Yes,
कुछ
sir.
सवाल पूछना चाह रहे हैं?
जी हाँ.
Yeah. Hi, Yogesh.
Hi sir, Lokesh here.
Yeah, Lokesh. Sorry. Where are you? I can't see you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you see me?
Lokesh, tell me. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So my question is.
Yeah, I can see you. I can see you. Yes.
Yeah. So many times the requirements are different. Like if for a music video there's a different requirement, for a film there's a different
Yeah.
requirement, and for some web there's a different requirement. So
Yeah.
how do you send your work? Because I am someone who has done theater work, I've done ads, then I've also done short film and all. So how do you send your profile then?
No, like I said, you send only your casual picture. You send your work links, na.
Okay.
See, anyway, once you will come to my office and do an intro, or right now the intros are not happening because of the COVID situation. But everybody, we all have a system where every day we have a particular time set for doing intros. So anyway, actors come and do their intros. There is a particular AD who will download the intros done that particular day, and they are then
Hello.
फिर से
Hello.
नेटवर्क चला गया. कोई नहीं, I think time's also up and
Yeah.
about to be up. पर बहुत अच्छा सेशन है. I wish in internet नहीं हो जाता.
Okay, I was just checking. Right. So Kunal ji, just in case.
And वो नितिप्रिया, तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया था? You got your questions answered, right?
हाँ जी, हो गया था.
Okay.
But since I said I am completely new to this space, मेरे पास work links as such नहीं है, तो probably जैसे उन्होंने बोला कि 1 or 2 minutes का जो monologue है, वो अगर भेज दिया, plus with your, whatever workshops you've done, and plus a few candid photographs here and there. So I could probably make that kit and just write a crisp 1 or 2 liner and share it so that it's easier for both. है ना? हाँ जी. So.
Hi, sorry I got disconnected. My net I think is
Yes.
trouble.
कुणाल जी, ये वाला क्वेश्चन जो है, जो लोकेश ने पूछा था, हाँ वो आप बता रहे थे.
हाँ. So I think anyway once you do an intro, so आपको specific character के लिए ही call आएगा, right?
Okay.
That was your. So probably the kind of look that you have. So I'm sure people will call you for a particular zone. But once you're a good actor now and you perform well, तो वो casting director की imagination पे होता है, जो आपको जो test कर रहा है उसकी imagination पे होता है कि यार ये actor अच्छा है, ये भी कर सकता है, ये वो भी कर सकता है. Because हम लोग सबको limit कर देते ना.
Yeah.
यार ये तो टॉप है, हट्टा कट्टा, यार इसको है ना विलन बना दो. ये जरा सॉफ्ट क्यूट लुकिंग है, इसको बॉय नेक्स्ट डोर हीरो बना दो. We have this general criteria which limits everyone. That's not the right way. But if you're a good actor, then I'm sure with your couple of tests that you do at any casting director's office, they will know your variation. They will know the kind of talent that you have. Like I know like lot of my ADs now, they kind of really push for an actor. We really joke about them कि यार तो इसको क्यों इतना पुश कर रहा है, हर जगह पे इसको बुला रहा है, उसने तो वहां पे ये टेस्ट दिया था, अब उसको यहाँ कैसे फिट होगा, ये कैसे. Then they kind of say कि नहीं ये बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है, we should back him, because he's really good, and it really works because you always go by gut feeling. True. Casting is always I mean हर आदमी पहले फिल्म शुरू करता है, आजकल तो बोलता है मुझे रणवीर सिंह चाहिए, रणबीर कपूर चाहिए, बट अल्टीमेटली लास्ट में फिल्म तो बनती है ना, किसके हाथ भी बनती है, भले राजपाल यादव के हाथ बनती हो, लेकिन बनती तो है ना।
ट्रू, इवन द रिक्वायरमेंट में पहले यही लिखा हुआ था, अप मार्केट एंड
हाँ, पर अप मार्केट वो स्पेसिफिक रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, वो सी यू नो दिस लाइक आई सेड देयर आर टर्म्स। अगर कोई हम लोग वो लोग यू नो एक 2-3 साल पहले लोग बोलते थे कि इमेजिन ए गर्ल फ्रॉम पेडर रोड, यू नो व्हेन दे गिव ब्रीफ, या इमेजिन गोरेगांव में कैसा लड़का रहता होगा, अरे भाई गोरेगांव में भी तो पेडर रोड जैसा दिखने वाला लड़के हैं, but it this is how people you know general, it's a specific or it's a generalized thing. तो कल्याण डोंबिवली में रहता होगा, कैसा दिखता होगा? तो मैंने बोला यार मैं डोंबिवली में रहता था पहले, तो ओके नो आई डिडंट मीन दैट, you know the whole thing is that you know you don't know how, so it is just that up market is because if they say कि you know ये ना ये अंबानी का बेटा होगा, तो जितने रईस लोग होते हैं जो हर शो में या सीरीज में या फिल्म में, उसकी कास्टिंग वहां से शुरू होती है, अंबानी का बेटा होगा। So you know that is why they write up market looking or you know whatever character driven or whatever. These are all tags.
I have a question based on Neeti Priya's question. तो अगर कोई एक एक्टर है जो कि बहुत बिल्कुल ही नया है, उसने कुछ किया नहीं है, उसने 2-3 वर्कशॉप करके now that actor has started auditioning, and he or she has done nothing, do you advise that actor to get together with their friends, जो कि कोई डायरेक्टर हो सकता है, असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर हो सकता है, एडिटर हो सकता है, कि यार तुम एक ना 2-4-5 मिनट की एक शॉर्ट फिल्म बना लो, so that people can see you in a film, in a story, कि हाँ इसने ये किया है.
Yeah, it can work. मतलब they can probably upload it on YouTube or something, and we can obviously, and that they can send it as a link. But I don't know. See, you know, that is again, it is very. It depends on actor how much money they can spend probably, because एक
5,000-10,000 में बन जाएगा आज के समय.
हाँ वो डिपेंड करता है किस क्वालिटी की बनाते हो, you know, कहीं वो खराब बन गई तो फिर ना वो like, so you know that is also a problem. I would advise कि if you are new, make that effort to go and meet casting directors. I know it's a little effort, but make that effort to reach out to them. You reach out gracefully, you reach out respectfully, you I'm sure everybody will meet. We all want to meet people. Trust me, if given an opportunity, I would like to meet everyone. Obviously, I mean, time is a constraint and we all are busy, but you know, there have been times when, you know, I have made a point where daily एक actor को मिलूंगा, जो भी हो, you know, लड़का हो, लड़की हो, character हो, बुड्ढा हो, whatever. So we have made that point, but now we are limited to meeting people who come with reference. Like if Sonu is a friend, Sonu will tell me, यार सर ये बहुत चैटर है, मेरा दोस्त है, इसको मिल लो प्लीज, तो मैं उसको अपने टाइम से मिल लूंगा, या किसी प्रोड्यूसर ने बोला यार ये मेरी भांजी है, भतीजी है, ये मेरे भाई का लड़का है, whatever, you know, but ideally we would like to meet actors, because when you meet an actor and spend those 15 minutes or 20 minutes with that actor, or a cup of coffee, chai, whatever, or just, you know, chat up with them, you understand their body language, you understand how they look, how they talk, you know, it leaves an impression, a lasting impression on us, on everyone, कि आपको याद रहता है वो 15-20 मिनट मीटिंग, वो 2 मिनट वाला मीटिंग जो जैसे मैंने बोला कि वो एक्टर पकड़ लेते हैं, कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर, वो नहीं याद रहता है. It is, we are never going to remember that.
Kunalji, through your conversation, I have gotten an idea, a thought that an actor has to be active in socially as well. कि वो कोई प्ले कर रहा है या लोगों के साथ मिल रहा है, और अपने एक्टर्स कम्युनिटी में एक एक्टिव मेंबर है, डॉर्मेंट नहीं है कि वो जिम जाता है घर आता है, क्लास में जाता है घर आता है. He has to or she has to mix amongst themselves, so that's what happens is कि I did not know you, I got in touch with someone and I was working with that person, और ऐसे तो connections ऐसे broaden होते हैं.
Of course, because you know, see, I realized कि कोई actor जब like when she said she is completely new and she has just started, so I'm sure 6 months down the line when we meet or when we talk, she'll tell me, you know, she had come to my office because she had an audition here, she had a meeting here, she had a meeting there, because once she starts going and meeting and auditioning people, she'll start making her friend circle, her within the industry will be bigger, the information passing will be bigger कि यहाँ audition चल रहा है, यहाँ ये चल रहा है, यहाँ पे आपके look का देख रहे हैं, because we all help each other. I mean, just as you actors help each other saying कि यार, you know, तेरे look में वहाँ पे audition चल रहा है, you know, XYZ की office में चल रहा है, वहाँ आप चले जाओ. वैसे, so that's how it will increase. You have to have your social circle bigger. In this industry, everything works with your, you know, in friendship, when people know each other. Like I'll tell you, when we do casting, probably if there is an actor whom I know, or I've seen his work, or I have met that actor from, I will always prefer कि यार इसको मैं जानता हूँ, इसको देखा है, इसका काम देखा है, इसको कास्ट करो. हो सकता है दूसरा जो एक्टर हो वो उससे ज्यादा talented हो, but because I've not met that actor, or because I don't know that actor, or I have not seen the range of his performance, there will always be a question mark in my head. यार मैं इसको भेज देता हूँ, लेकिन ये कर पाएगा नहीं कर पाएगा पता नहीं. So it's always better to reach out. You know, there is no harm in reaching out on social media, personally. You know, you go to their offices, you meet, you try and do auditions there, because like I said sometime back, no audition will ever go waste. If you do your audition with proper sincerity, with passion, with you show your talent, it will not go waste. Trust me on this.
One more question that I'm sorry, Lippy, मैं ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं ही सब सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ.
Yeah, no, it's absolutely fine.
तो एक सवाल है. For example, I have only done theatre. Like I've been in Bombay for 10, 12, 13 years. तो मैंने theatre किया और assist किया फिल्मों में. तो अभी मुझे जब फोन आते हैं किसी ऑडिशन के या बाकी चीज के और वो पैसा पूछते हैं, तो my answer is whatever your budget is, I don't care. मतलब काम अच्छा होना चाहिए. I just want to do that. So is that the right approach? Because I don't know.
ऐसा पूछना मतलब वो
बजट पूछते.
हाँ, कास्टिंग टीम वाले.
हाँ, तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि आपका जो भी बजट है वो आप देख लो. मतलब
यार ये बजट टेलीविजन में होता होगा. I'll be very frank.
एक एड के लिए मुझे पूछा था.
एड के लिए होता है. हाँ होता है. But you know, this is that is what ऐसा होता है. मुझे पता है, क्योंकि कभी क्या होता है ना कि एक पर्टिकुलर वो नॉर्मली 1-2 डेज एक्टर में होता है. जब हम भी कास्टिंग करते हैं ना, हमको बोलते भाई यू नो इतने एक्टर चाहिए, इतना ही बजट है. देयर इज एन कांस्टेंट फाइट बिटवीन द डायरेक्शन टीम एंड द प्रोडक्शन टीम, एंड कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर टीम इज ऑलवेज जो उस बीच में हमेशा फंसा हुआ होता है.
हाँ, एब्सोल्युटली.
क्योंकि डायरेक्शन टीम कभी भी एक्टर से खुश नहीं होगा. जो कैरेक्टर एक्टर्स है, जो 1 दिन वाले, 2 दिन वाले, 3 दिन वाले जो एक्टर्स है, जिनको लास्ट मिनट में कास्ट होते रहते हैं, जो in a ongoing web series or whatever, and the production team, the moment we like we have this WhatsApp group, supposedly we send a good actor who probably is going to ask for, let's say, 30,000 a day, and the production has given us a limit कि 15,000 के ऊपर का एक्टर मत देगा. तो अगर हमने वो 30,000 वाला एक्टर भेज दिया ग्रुप में, इमीडिएटली कॉल आ जाएगा, अरे सर आपने क्यों भेज दिया, अब ये लोग सिलेक्ट कर देंगे, हमको 4 दिन का काम है, हमको 15,000 एक्स्ट्रा देना. You know, so that these are all, you know, like we'll laugh about it once the show gets over, but they're all very tense situations because the direction team is always pushing. That is why I think a lot of casting guys call and ask for a budget. क्या यार ये सोनू है, ये दिख तो रहा है मेरे हमारे कैरेक्टर में, एक्टर भी अच्छा है, कर भी लेगा, लेकिन पैसे कितने मांगता है. क्योंकि कभी आपसे टेस्ट करवा लिया और भेज भी दिया और सडनली आपने 3 गुना पैसा मांग लिया, तो डायरेक्शन टीम अड़ जाएगी कि हमको तो ये एक्टर चाहिए, प्रोडक्शन टीम अड़ जाएगी, हम पैसे नहीं देंगे. So these are obviously a lot of pros and cons which are behind the scenes, which is not very glamorous, but it really is actually a part of our daily job.
So initially, एक actor linked the answer that I give. Is it the right answer? क्योंकि लोग कहते हैं कि अरे ऐसे थोड़ी बोलते हैं, कुछ तो बताना पड़ेगा तुम्हें अपने बारे में.
हाँ, बहुत बार लोग बोलते हैं कि you know कि see that depends on actor. अभी you want to make a mark, so you will say कि I will do it. There are actors who are seasoned, जो बहुत 8-10 साल से काम कर रहे हैं रेगुलर, तो एक स्पेसिफिक प्राइस होता है, तो वो लोग सीधा बोलते हैं भाई मैं तो 20,000 रुपए लूंगा दिन का, अगर उससे कम होगा तो मुझे फोन मत करना.
Absolutely. तो I guess if I spend 2 years and I've been working for 2 years, तो मुझे पता चल जाएगा अपने आप के how much should I get paid. तो मैं बोलूंगा कि हाँ भाई मैं तो 40,000 दूंगा.
Now the situation is what, you know, the situation that there is so much work.
Absolutely.
There is so much work. I'm in touch with it. It's a great phase to be for actors, technicians. It's just that you have to be at the right place at the right time. If you are a good actor, you will get work. There is no stopping. Nobody can stop you. And if you have that passion to reach out, you have to reach out to people. लोगों को पता तो चलना चाहिए ना कि XYZ है actor, XYZ ये जिन लोगों से भी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ,
मैं जिन लोगों यार ये एग्जिस्ट करता है. अगर मैं कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर हूँ लेकिन किसी को पता ही नहीं मैं कास्टिंग, तो मुझे काम कहाँ से मिलेगा? People have to know that there is a casting director called Kunal M. Shah, or there is an actor like Sonu, or there is an actor like Niti, or whatever. All I'm trying to say is that we all have to make our presence felt. कि भाई ये है और ये काम करता है, ये अच्छा एक्टर है, ये बुरा एक्टर है, whatever. ये है, ये एग्जिस्ट करता है. Good, bad, ugly, simple.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Sir, मेरा और एक
Very true.
सवाल
So
है.
the reaching out is very important. Yeah,
Reaching out
sorry,
is
if
very
you go ahead.
important. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, please tell me.
Sir, I have been an HR myself,
Okay.
and I think that mainly a casting director's job is and human resources job in film industry. They pick up people and they vet profiles, and they
Yeah, we have
get the
similar job profile. Yes.
similar jobs, absolutely. So वो उसमें थोड़ा difference नहीं है. I mean, difference. There's a very thin line. So when you are vetting a profile, and you decide, okay, this person is for this character, and then you share the script, and then the person comes back with their audition. Is it mandate, or is it 100% that you do send it across, or sometimes you hold back and say that, okay, fine, this might not work, so let's just ऐसा होता है? Okay.
होता है, of course. A lot of times we
Yes.
don't send.
Yeah.
There are times when we are confident. But ये बहुत correct audition है.
Yes.
There might be, see, like everybody wants to cast, probably if there is a primary character of say, I'll give you an example. I'm casting for a web series, and we are looking for 5 important characters. XYZ has been cast as the lead or the face of the show or the series, and the other characters, the director is insisting on having a known face, and so we generally obviously call or test those faces कि हमको भाई ये है ये चाहिए. But there is an interesting face which has come across, and we have auditioned them, or we have their intro, whatever, and if we feel that person fits the character, and we call them, we call them for a test. If the test is very good and we are confident, then we'll go and tell the director, यार ये ना this person has not done too much work, is not a known celebrity or a known actor, but I think this person can fit the bill.
Right.
And that happens all the time. It happens a lot of time. But the audition has to be good. Yeah.
No, the audition has to be good. Yes.
Yeah.
And also, sir, जैसे हम लोग communicate कर देते थे, भैया देखो ये आपका नहीं fit, you don't fit the bill, so we won't be calling you for an interview.
Yeah.
है ना? तो वैसे do we inform the actors most of the times, or how does that work?
I'll be very frank, we don't go out and call everybody and say you are not been selected. I mean, it's not the right approach. I mean, it doesn't exist that way here. But yeah, if we know the actor and the actor is in touch with us and says what happened to the audition, then we say it didn't work. Okay. And if somebody is, see, everybody does not like criticism here. I mean, if I come and tell you na कि यार तेरा audition बहुत खराब था यार, a lot of people take it very personally.
Very personally,
yes. अपना काम ही नहीं जानता यार, ये क्यों मुझे बोल रहा है? वो तो तारीफ कर रहा था XYZ. So it depends. I mean, how well do you person? If I know you tomorrow, if I know you very well, and we are friends, and I'll tell you, buddy, you did wrong here. This is where you went really loud, or this is where you went, your pitch was very slow, or you probably fumbled in the lines here, whatever.
Right.
So it depends on personal equations.
Right. Or probably you would just inform the person just during, the audition, if it has worked or if it hasn't, and what can and what cannot. If that is the rapport that you share with the person. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Yes. Got it. Thank you.
So I believe a lot of times actually audition दे के भी workshop हो जाती है. अगर आपने auditions दे दिए शायद 3 महीने में, तो आपको इतना feedback मिल चुका है. It itself counts like a workshop, and I'm myself saying it from an experience.
यार workshop क्या होता है यार? You until you don't go and perform in front of camera. Workshop से कुछ नहीं होता है.
Exactly.
I mean, I know you like to hear all this gyan that all this talented or so-called people, fantastic actors and fantastic casting directors give, taking a hefty amount. But actually, how much does it really work in practicality?
True.
सेट पे जाके तो पूरा अलग ही माहौल होता है ना. आप लोग मुझसे काफी लोग सेट पे जा चुके हैं, आपको पता है ना क्या होता है सेट पे. तो it's not the, I mean, it's like theory is completely different, practicality is completely different, I feel.
Right. So yeah, workshops could help you. That's like a theoretical thing, but of course, ultimately,
Yeah,
like he
yeah.
said,
Workshop
मैदान पे जाके
more. It's more like getting gyan from people who have been there, out
Yeah.
there, and have have been doing that stuff. But how much
Correct.
does it practice? How much can you implement it actually in the scenario of our industry, especially our
True.
industry? I'm saying, जिस तरह से हम लोग काम करते हैं, तो वो कितनी practicality है, वो मुझे नहीं पता यार. मैं कोई workshop में
Right.
गया नहीं, so it's wrong for me to say or to judge.
Great. So I think, but हमने थोड़ा ज़्यादा वक्त ले लिया है आपका, but
No,
thank
no,
you
it's
so
completely
much,
fine. I enjoyed it.
Kunal ji, and thank you so much to all the actors and artist community present over here for joining us. I hope that his knowledge, his experience, everything has been very helpful to us to grow as an actor and to understand the little things about the casting industry. And Sonu, of course, thank you for giving us this platform and getting me on board as well to be a good anchor, I believe, and of course for getting Kunalji also over here, like to bridge the gap between casting industry and the actors over here. So thank you for that as well, Sonu. And I wish everybody a very good evening / good night now, and all the
Yes.
very best. We are part of the same community, and please have a good evening. Thank you
Hopefully,
so
I
much.
meet all
so
of
Bye-bye.
much,
them in
sir.
person very
Thank
soon.
you so much.
Thank
Yes,
you. Thank
yes,
you.
we are
Thank you.
hoping so that we'll get to see you soon personally over a
100%.
cup of
Like I said,
coffee or chai.
I'm completely approachable.
Right.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Bye, Sonu. Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.